if you are being harassed at work and you do not report it, you can get fired. Yeah, you have to read the policy, read up on it, because they're sneaky. So I'm gonna do a quick video on how to deal with harassment, discrimination, what may have you, or even a comment. I'm gonna get some tips on how to sue. And you have to plan this out. And wait, hold on. Before I give you my tips, we're not just looking for a problem. This is only if we already in that situation. I know a lot of people want to just, like, you know, go off, start fighting people at your job. But we can't do that. We can't do that. We cannot do it. I know it's very rewarding, especially if your manager is doing certain things to you, but we can't do that. We cannot do that. We're going to sue. We're going to sue. Wait, hold on, I do a disclaimer too. I am not a lawyer. This is not legal advice. I'm just telling you what's been going on. Well, from personal experience, I'm giving some tips on what I've been going through with different attorneys and all that good stuff. The first thing that you're gonna need to do is to document. Document. Date, time, what was exactly said, and who was the witness. That's what you need. Documentation. It's so important, because once this all starts, once you start filing and you start reporting, they're gonna call you a liar. They'll say, no, that didn't happen, that didn't happen. That's why you need documentations to back you up, right? So document. Once you get your documentation, don't report just yet. I suggest don't report just yet. Make sure your evidence is strong. Make sure it's strong. And if you have a coworker you tell them what to do, tell your coworker in confidence on what's been going on, but actually be careful with that as well. I had a few witnesses, coworkers, once I filed and they realized I wasn't playing, they turned on me. Yeah, so it's me against everyone at this point right now. So keep that in the back of your mind. It might happen. You'll learn real quick that your coworkers are going to pick their job over you every single day. Okay, I learned that the hard way. That's why I always say, coworkers are not your friends. Your coworkers are not your friends. You just go to work, get your check, and go home. They are not your friends. And majority of all of them, I'm seeing the ugliest side of everybody right now. They're evil, just like the managers. Actually, they're probably even worse. But anyway, I'm sorry. So I said document if you have witnesses, blah blah blah. Now, this is another tricky area, because once you do report to a manager, it's a hierarchy. A manager, HR, and mind you, none of these people are your friends. Once you report, you're gonna have a big target on your back, and they're gonna want to shut down any documentation. They don't want a lawsuit. So that's why I say this is kind of tricky. Once you report to a manager and tell them what was said, what was done, who did it, there's a high chance that they might fire you as well. That's what I'm trying to say. You need all your documentations. You need to build, okay? Because once you're targeted, they're gonna continue to do everything in their power to get you out. That's plain and simple. And they're gonna do stuff that's illegal. They don't care. If they want you out, they're gonna keep push you out. So that's what I'm trying to say. Like, still document date and time. And I know this lighting is making me upset too. I'm sorry, the lighting is not it. I need to move. I'm gonna do like a part 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna do a series on this. Yes, you might get fired, right? So this is what I did. I had so much documentation. Every time something happened to me, I never said anything, right? So they always thought I was stupid. They're like, oh, she's not gonna do this. She ain't gonna do nothing. She usually don't do nothing when we do stuff to her. I'm serious. Until when they found out I was building a case against them. So do that as well. I was building a case, a strong case. Okay, so before you do anything else, right, after you get your documentation, if you're currently employed, right, you need a right to sue letter. In order to get a right to sue letter, you have to go to the EEOC. The EEOC. and then they help you. They're an even playing ground. They're not for you or against you. They're not supporting your employer. They just evil. I said evil. Oh my god. Even. I'm sorry. This guy from church too. So you have to go through them anyway to get a right to sue letter and all that good stuff. So once that's done, that's when you can find your attorney. But I do suggest look for an attorney while that's going, because finding an attorney is not easy. I thought that would be the easiest part for me. That was actually the hardest part for me. So documentation. Try to find a witness who's going to be in support of you. Contact a manager. HR is last, in my opinion. I suggest contact HR last. Tell a manager, assistant manager. Still document, continue to document. Once you have a strong case, when I mean a strong case, a bulletproof case, okay, then you report to HR. Once you by that time you have so much evidence, they cannot fire you. When I mean they cannot fire you, because that would be a retaliation right there. And once you file with the EEOC, everything that's done to you after it is retaliation as well. So I know this is a short video. I do need to do another part because I do not like none of the lighting. I can just tell on the screen. But long story short is, if you're being harassed, you're being discriminated, whatever, we're gonna sit and take it. We're just gonna document. We're gonna document date and time and build your case, and then we're going to sue them. And the thing is, your employer would never think you're gonna sue again. They would never think you're gonna sue them. They never think that. And we need to sue more. We need to sue more. We need to let these people, we don't play that. I know they, like at my current job, I know they were expecting me to fight, go off, start cussing. It's so hard not to. You know what I mean? But I'm like, you know what? We're gonna do it a different way, and we're going to sue. Everyone else does it. We're gonna do it too. And that's it. Those are my quick tips on how to sue. This is not my sue 101. This is more so if you're going through anything, we're gonna take the abuse, but we're gonna document and we're going to sue.